welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Ford 3.5 engine. If you have a Ford Edge or you have a Lincoln MKX, guys, okay, we'll show you guys what needs to be done to remove and replace camshaft position sensor. Now, we're going to have, guys, more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart, more than 200 videos. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Our mission, guys, is to save you, okay, as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All the tools and parts that we use, including the replacement camshaft position sensors, are listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So as you can see, the only thing that we have removed now here is the airbox cover, okay, airbox cover, and the throttle body. You have two camshaft position sensors, excuse me, one on the front head, one on the rear head, or this is known as left head, right head. Now, right here, guys, okay, right here is one of them. Okay, you can see this black thing. Okay, let's point with something. Okay, that black thing, this is camshaft position sensor bank 2, bank 2. Now on the back side is bank 1. So the procedure for replacing those is practically the same. Okay, it doesn't matter which one you replace, this one or the other one. If you need to replace this one, you can go ahead and remove that airbox, which is pretty easy, one bolt, and you can pull it out and you can get it from here. The rear one, you will need to remove that hose here, okay, and with an 8mm, okay, 8mm socket like that, we're going to go ahead, get in there, okay, and we're going to take it out. We'll have the codes and all that, guys, listed in the description of the video below. One is called P0340, one is P0345, I believe. We'll have again more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so guys, please subscribe. Now the screw is coming out, that bolt is coming out. Okay, it's still stuck a little bit, so we need to go ahead and turn it with the socket. And after that we'll be able to go ahead. Okay, perfect, and we'll need to disconnect it. Okay, now how you disconnect it, you can see that thing, press in, pull it out, guys. Okay, and this is your camshaft position sensor bank 1. The other one is the same. So we'll grab the new one and put it together. So this is the new sensor, we get it now, we install it, guys. Everything else is in reverse order that we took it apart. We need to push the wire in, install the sensor, and install the screw. So pretty simple, guys, procedure. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you, save you some money. Again, if you need help with anything, let us know. We have anything, even cylinder head replacement, cylinder head gasket, all that stuff. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.